Hello everybody and good morning. It is March 19th, 11 past 9. I thought it was time for a vlog again. It's been a little while, so I thought let's just vlog, and the sun is shining. It's a great day. I don't really have to do that much today. I need to do laundry. I desperately need to do laundry. I have a few things that I want to change around here. Just a few decoration things, and I also have some new things that I want to decorate. I just thought it was time for a nice relaxing day together with you. So that's what we're gonna do today. I really don't feel productive today. I don't want to get up. It is really time for summer. I'm always so much more productive when summer comes. I just want to take a quick shower to just kind of freshen up, and hopefully that'll motivate me a little bit more to be more productive. Gotta listen to Eternal Sunshine, of course, because, oh my god. So weird. I washed my face with my normal regular face wash that I use every day, but all of a sudden I have red spots on my face and I don't get it. I don't know why. It's calming down a little bit, but it was like all over my forehead and on my cheeks and my nose, and I don't know why. I'm sure it'll calm down. I'm so happy that spring is arriving. The tree right outside my window is growing leaves already, and there are some flower bushes right in front of my window too, and it makes me so happy. And the sun is shining. Okay, I showered. Laundry is in the washing machine. The bed is made. I have a few little decoration things here and there that I kind of want to rearrange. Definitely on my bookshelf. I also have a sticker for on my mirror. I also want to put this on. I'm so excited. It says, "You look bloomin' lovely," with some flowers, and I thought it was fun. I have no clue how well it's gonna go to put it on. We'll see. First, I want to clean up a little bit in my window because I still have some cards from when I moved in, but I've lived here for like 2.5 months, so I think I can put it away now. Much better. I think I'm gonna do it like this. I don't really know what's cute on top of books, but I guess I like this. Wowie, that is so cute. I like it a lot. You look bloomin' lovely. The mirror says it. In the spirit of relaxing, I've been wanting to read more. I only read before I go to bed, which is obviously the best time to read, but I often get tired quickly, so after like 6 pages I can't keep my eyes open anymore. And in the weekend I'm often with my boyfriend, so I don't really have time to read then. So I'm gonna read now. There's nothing else that I really have to do, so I have the time now to do this. So I'm gonna read One of Us is Back. If you don't know, this is the last part in a trilogy of One of Us is Lying, One of Us is Next, and One of Us is Back is the third one. I think it's so good. I like the second book just as good as the first book. I like all the characters. I think they're really fun. In this one, they all come together, the main characters from the first book and the second book. It's murder mystery if you don't know the series, but I'm really enjoying it. So I'm gonna continue reading now. And by the way, look at my pretty bookmark. It's so pretty. This bookmark is from Leora Eileen. Link it down below. Not sponsored or anything. I did not get this. I paid for this myself, but it's so gorgeous. And the stuff that she makes is just too good. Go check her out because oh my goodness. Okay, reading now. I'm at page 212 of like 358, so we're making progress. I did a little reading. I'm at page 230 and right now you can hear the oven. I have my lunch in the oven, so I'm so hungry. Yes, let's eat.
Hey. Hi. 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 Hi.
Okay, so if you've seen my last video, I searched for posters for my bedroom wall and I found this really cute one. I found this poster and I absolutely love it, but I didn't think that it would really fit in with the other posters that I picked for my bedroom area. So I kind of just want to print it out and put it here. And maybe I want some other pictures to print out to go here too, but I don't want too much because I don't want this area to be too busy. I just want to print it out. I really want to use it. I love it so much. So I'm gonna go do that now. So I don't just open the picture and just print it out directly because then it'll just print out a random size and I don't want that. I want to be able to decide for myself how big I want the picture to be. I just go to Word, so I just drag the picture in here and I make it bigger to the size that I want, not like that. No. If you hold shift and resize it, then it'll stay the same dimension. Click on picture format, click on position, then just choose anyone and you can move it around how you would like to. Now print it out and it should be good. When I print out posters for my room, I don't use normal printing paper. I use photo paper. So this is like the thicker, better quality paper. It turns out a whole lot better. That is so cute. I think I want it by my desk, but I'm not sure because I do have a very busy background. Look at that, which is a very different style actually. I just want it somewhere. I don't mind where. I need it in my life somewhere. Maybe not by my desk. It's such a different style. I was really hoping that it would look good. I'm gonna put it somewhere. Definitely gonna happen. I just don't know where yet. Now that we're busy, we might as well just print out all the other posters as well for my bedroom area. We should do that because why not? Okay, so here's what I do when I want a certain size of a picture that I have in real life. First of all, grab a piece of paper, then I try and make it just as big on the computer screen. Now it's the exact same size as a normal piece of paper, and now I can measure with a picture that I have in real life. Of course, you can also just measure the picture and like crop it down to that size, but this works for me. So if I want it to be this size, then I just try and, you know, crop it to that size. So that is a golden tip for me to you. All the pictures are printed out. They all look so good. Like, honestly, the quality is amazing. I'm so very happy and satisfied. Even the big ones turned out so good. I love this one. Look at it, it's precious. So yes, I did look for new posters. I was putting them in a Word document and I was like, nah, I don't know if I'm satisfied with this. So I just kind of kept looking. So I have some other posters as well, besides from the ones that I looked for in my video. What we need to do now is print them out. I'm not gonna hang them up just yet because that takes me so much time, and right now it's already 3 p.m. I'm gonna start cutting these out. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing all of them, probably, because why not? Okay, let's do that. I cut out all the posters and oh my god, they look so good. I'm actually very happy with like the size of them. How they're all like the same height, you know? That does make it look a little bit more organized. Anyway, I have to eat dinner soon because I have a ballet class tonight. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to become a part of the family, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye!